Hi everybody, and a very warm welcome to Susannah's Kitchen, wishing you a very Merry Christmas. And thank you for choosing to click on this video. So we make everything in the Ninja Foodi here, and Christmas is no exception. Of course, I don't expect you to be making a whole Christmas dinner for like 10 people using just one Ninja Foodi, but these recipes aren't just for Christmas Day. These recipes are for the full festive season. So I've got you covered with everything from party nibbles, starters, main courses, desserts, drinks. I've got the full works going on this December, so I really hope you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to give me a like below and subscribe to my channel as well. So today's recipe is an exclusive cookbook recipe. I've got a brand new Christmas cookbook that I have just released over on my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. So go over there and grab yourself a copy. Now you don't need to worry about saving this video for today's recipe because there'll be a QR code in the cookbook which will link back if you do want to watch the recipe video again. And all my recipes are super achievable and of course really delicious. So I hope you enjoyed today's Ninja Foodi recipe. Let's go and start cooking. This recipe is absolutely delicious. It can be a starter, it can be party food. It's a great little nibble if you're just having some drinks with friends. Perfect for Christmas. And of course it's pretty healthy too because we have got asparagus here. So all we're doing is grabbing a spear and we are wrapping it up. And this is going to go in the air fryer and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous because this is going to go really crispy and delicious. And we're going to make a beautiful sauce to dip these in. They fit well in the air fryer basket, so let's get them cooked. Now I'm going to make a really simple blue cheese sauce to go with my asparagus. All you're going to need is some blue cheese, some honey, and also some Philadelphia or any cream cheese. We're going to use sear and saute, and that's going to be perfect for dipping the asparagus. For the ingredients, quantities, and method, get a copy of my brand new Christmas cookbook on my website.